$475,000 is how much I made with meme coins. Just keep watching because I'm going to show you exactly how I did it step by step with no bullshit. When I only had $1,000 to my name, I used to be obsessed with trading meme coins every single day in the trenches. But every single time I put my money inside a meme coin, for some reason it just kept getting rug pulled. And that's when I realized every single coin on the blockchain is eventually going to get rug pulled. And the truth that no one is telling you about is that you will make way more money by launching these meme coins than actually trading them. Because by launching and creating your own coins, all you have to do is create the coin, wait for buyers to buy your meme coin, and then remove the liquidity, and you're walking away with thousands of dollars on every single launch. And this strategy right here, ladies and gentlemen, is the blueprint to making thousands of dollars every single day just with your phone. And I'm going to show you exactly how to create and launch your own coin and then make a shit ton of money. But obviously this is all for educational and entertainment purposes only, so do not copy me. Cap, you can copy me. But anyways, the first thing you'll want to do is come to launch tokenfast, and here you can create and launch your own coins with no coding required. And the special thing about this website is that the website actually launches the coins on the Raydium DEX, which is 100 times better than the Pump.Fun DEX, because Pump.Fun requires a $90,000 in market cap bonding curve to graduate the coin into the Raydium DEX. So by launching your coins on non-tokens.fun, you are actually skipping that line and you are going directly on the Raydium DEX. So if I go on my photon and I go on trending, and after that I select the Raydium DEX, just look at the insane market caps: 2 million, 5 million, 6 million, 7 million, 1 million, 80,000, 100,000. But if we go on the Pump.Fun DEX, you will see the massive difference. Yeah, it's really bad. 5,000, 40,000, 30,000, 10,000. Okay, you have to be making coins on the Raydium DEX, specifically on non-tokens.fun. Okay, you have two different options into making your first meme coin. You could either make it manually here by pulling the token name, token symbol, and token image. So if a viral meme came out on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, you can make it here. If someone big and popular tweeted on Twitter, you can make a coin here. But if you are lazy like me, I'm sure you are, and you want to make some money with no marketing required, you can actually come to the copy coins feature right here, and you can steal coins that are already proven to get you some buyers. Now all these coins, they're all getting a bunch of traction, a bunch of attention, a bunch of buyers, and you're basically copying the coins and listing them back up on the Raydium DEX, and you are making way more money, bro. A bunch of people are printing money by doing this method, and a bunch of influencers are actually gatekeeping this feature. Okay, so I'm actually going to create a coin to prove that this shit actually works. So I'm gonna copy a Diswell Moon coin. It has 120 replies, a $40,000 market cap, and the last buy 7 seconds ago. So create coin. Your phantom will pop up. Just simply go inside of it. A warning will pop up also. Just proceed anyway. It's completely normal. Confirm, I understand, confirm, and then your coin should be created shortly. Just obviously be patient. Now boom, copy here, click on create liquidity pool because you want to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. So now as you can see, here select your coin. Obviously as you can see, I'm printing money every single day with meme coins. I'm going to select this one, select your salad balance. It should be auto selected by the way. Amount token A, click on max to put 1 billion coins in the pool. Amount token B, I like to put 0.5 Solana, but obviously the minimum is 0.3 and the maximum is 1 Solana. This money right here is an issue that you have to put inside your coin, so you will be the first buyer inside your coin. You are not losing this money, okay? This money will come back inside your wallet after you remove the liquidity, okay? It is completely safe, bro. Don't worry about it, okay? Now after that, yeah, we should be ready to go. Just ignore this. This is another coin that I launched. Now then click on create pool and we should be ready to rock. So confirm and then click on refresh. Boom, it popped up as you can see. Now you're, oh my god, I'm already $40 in profit. That's actually insane. Click on V1 Photon and now your coin is live. Let me go on a lower time frame. I want to see what's popping. Okay, it's kind of, oh my god, yo, it already pumped a lot in front of my fucking eyes. Okay, $50 buy. Okay, $8 buy, $9 buy. Yo, this is actually insane. We just got a $10 buy, $10 sell. Okay, it's actually insane. This coin is actually gonna explode. Now, as you saw earlier, if you want to check your profits, you can come to here, click on refresh, and you can see your profits right here. I think this is actually wrong. It's a bit more than $36. It's around double. Okay. Okay, it's pumping. Let's go. Yo, this coin is mooning. Oh my freaking god, bro. It's actually so volatile. If y'all didn't know, right now is the best time to create your own coins because meme coins are exploding, Solana is going up. Okay, so there's a bunch of volatility in the market right now. As you can see by my chart, it's like moving a lot. Now, as you can see, it is pumping a lot. Oh my god, it's pumping. Okay, now it dipped. Come on. Yo, I'm not trying to make this video too long. I think if it goes to this level right here, I am gonna remove the liquidity. Or like around here, I'm not sure. Okay! Oh my god, it's pumping! Okay, to remove the liquidity, come back to launch tokenfast, click on the minus button, do 100% remove the liquidity. Come on, go fast. Come on. Confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you remove the liquidity out of the coin, and that's how you print money out of thin air. And if I open my Phantom wallet to check how much I made exactly, come on, $500. At the beginning I had like $100, so I made $400 in profit off this one launch, bro. Launch tokens.fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. Go make your coins right now before it's too late. Solana is pumping. If you want to enter the 5 Solana giveaway, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, bro, bye.